Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can make a star border in Microsoft Word. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. So first is we need to open our Microsoft Word. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Word. Now you will find Microsoft Word under the best match. You just need to simply click on that to open it. Click on the blank document, or if you already have your document that you want to put a star border, you can simply open that. Now here you will find the ribbon with all these tabs. What we can do is we just need to simply click on the design tab. And under the options of design tab or its features, you will find page borders. Click on that and you will be directed into this window borders and shading in the page border tab. Now here, click on the box. Then you will find art. Click on this drop down arrow. Scroll down and you will find the star borders. Now there are three different border types of border star borders right here. So let's try one by one. Now let's click this first option and click on OK. So this is how it looks like. This is the first star border in Microsoft Word. Now let's try with the second one. Go back to page borders, click on art, and then let's choose the second one. Click on OK. And this is how it looks like. So it's like a very small star. Unlike the very first option earlier. Go back to page borders, click on this drop down arrow, and click on the third option. Click on OK. And also, this is how it looks like. And whenever you're going to insert a new blank page, this will still have the star border. So that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.